Howdy team. I wanted to bring us all together here. So we begin the units. We've got PowerPoint in these next couple of weeks. Word we're going to try to wrap up in a week. Excel in a couple of weeks and Access in a couple of weeks. So plan on spending a couple of weeks on each unit, but realize there's at least an assignment every day. So let's get looking at that. Go into course materials. At course materials, your e-textbook is still there. This is only the e-textbook now that we'll be using for the rest of the semester, called Exploring Microsoft Office 10. And of course, you can go into that book, clicking here, and it will take you to all the chapters. We may be going a little bit out of order. So if you choose to go this view of your textbook, we'll need to be looking for the PowerPoint chapters to start with. And here's the look of your textbook, and here's PowerPoint to start with. Okay, right there. I'm going to go back to course materials in my IT lab now. And you'll see that our Essential Computer Concept Skills, the ECC unit, is now hidden. So are all the pretests. We'll be going into PowerPoint now. It will still remind you to do that pretest, but we won't be doing that. And the first thing we'll look at is PowerPoint Chapter 1. Student resources actually might be a great place to start. Here in the resources, there's videos that walk you through the simulated trainings. The e-textbook is available here where it takes you exactly to PowerPoint Chapter 1. Then there's PowerPoint presentations. The PowerPoint presentations are focused on that e-textbook. There are regular PowerPoint and a PowerPoint with audio if you prefer to listen to the chapter. The data files are chapter files and how to do files. Those have not been assigned, but if you would like to look at them or use them, help yourself. I'm going to go back to Chapter 1 PowerPoint now into activities. Activities is where our assessments are located. So you'll come here once you've read the chapter and you're familiar with things. Then you'll start with simulated activities. Simulated activities are very much like those pretests that you took. Every mouse click is counted as an attempt. You have several attempts on these simulated trainings to get everything right. So realize you can come back here and view over again. Make sure you don't submit this assignment till you're totally done. Always click on the arrow to move to the next question. So again, you need no software to complete this simulated training. This time there's 16 questions. It's worth 100 points. If you don't get them all, come back and try again. Each time you get 3 clicks, so think about what you're doing before you start mouse clicking. So that's our first assignment for each chapter, is a simulated training after you've read the chapter. Then I'd like you to come back and complete the grader project. The grader project is something that you'll come into and you only get, I believe, 3 attempts with this. So you download your materials here. I suggest downloading them and saving them to a folder on your desktop. The first thing you save is a Word document that walks you through the steps you'll be doing in PowerPoint. You actually do need to have PowerPoint on your computer. So you can do Office 365 through the university download. Those explanations are in course information. Or, of course, you can purchase Microsoft Office 2016. I would use the free version, Office 365, personally. If you're on a Mac, it downloads Office 365 as well. So you do these steps, and you do them with this grader file. This grader file gives you a start of PowerPoint. Again, I suggest you save this to a folder on your desktop. And this file is what you will use to complete the instructions with. Wanting waffles is our first activity, and you can see it's rather simple. You'll save this to your desktop and start working on it, and it does a really good job of explaining your talents with Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you're done, save it, close it, and then you come over here to uploaded completing assignments. You choose your file. You find your file, you upload it, and then you wait for it to be, it's been selected, and then you click upload once you get a green tag here, and that, see, it says 100% upload complete. Now I come over here and I submit for grading. Not until you've done all of these steps has the PowerPoint Chapter 1 project been submitted. Then you close your assignment and you come back here, and it will give you, when you submit your assignment, you can come back here to the assignment title, look at view submissions, and it will tell you how you did. I actually uploaded the wrong file, so if you get a grade under 20%, you probably chose the wrong file. It will show you here the points you missed, what you missed on that task, and how to fix it. My advice to you is, if you decide to resubmit, start over. Don't continue to do the same assignment and try to fix it. Always rename your assignment with a number 2 or a number 3 as you upload. So we have 4 chapters we're going to go through. Each one has a simulated training and a grader project that you'll do. That's shown as a cap in your gradebook in Blackboard. We'll go through the 4 chapters, and then we'll have a review that I'll post in Blackboard, and then we'll have the exam. Expect 2 weeks for every unit. This will seem fast. It will seem like a lot of material, but I know you can succeed. I wish you the best. Always remember, I am here to help. I tutor. I walk students through challenges. We can share computer screens. You're not alone out there. All right, let's get started.